In the first part of this series, we discussed how having a money mindset is essential for financial success. We highlighted the importance of setting financial goals, understanding your worth, and taking consistent action towards achieving financial freedom. In this second part of the series, we are going to take a closer look at some of the specific strategies and tactics that can help you develop a money mindset and create lasting financial security. We will look at how to create a budget and stick to it, how to save money, how to invest, and how to develop the right attitude toward money. Having a money mindset is essential for achieving your financial goals, and this series will provide you with the tools and information you need to get started. Before we continue, we would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to be notified every time we upload new videos. Stay until the end and we will give you a bonus that will help you improve your personal finances. Also, in the description we will leave links to other videos that I am sure you will like. Let's get started. Number 1. Take small steps. When it comes to managing money, having the right mindset is key. Taking small steps is the best way to help ensure that you are on the right path. Start by setting financial goals and then make a plan for how to achieve them. Break down your goals into manageable pieces, so that it's easier to focus on each step along the way. Create a budget or financial plan and stick to it. Track your progress, celebrate your successes, and don't give up if you experience setbacks. Over time, you'll build up the skills and habits you need to achieve your financial goals. A positive money mindset is essential for financial success, and taking small steps is the best way to get there. Number 2. Sacrifice leisure. Having a money mindset is essential in order to cultivate financial success. It requires dedication and sacrifice, and one must be willing to make the necessary changes to their lifestyle to optimize their financial health. This can include trading leisure activities for more productive pursuits, such as budgeting, researching investments, and finding ways to increase income. It is important to remember that the effort put in now will pay off in the future, and that the sacrifices made will not be in vain. By investing time and energy into financial planning, it is possible to turn small changes into long-term success. Number 3. No more complaints. Having a positive money mindset is essential for financial success. This means aligning your thoughts and attitudes with a healthy approach to money. It means understanding the importance of money in achieving your goals and being able to recognize when your financial decisions are in line with your values. It also means being aware of the potential impact of your financial decisions and taking responsibility for them. By focusing on financial success and no longer complaining about money, you can begin to focus on developing a healthy money mindset. By setting a budget, tracking your spending, and identifying ways to reduce financial stress, you can make progress towards improving your financial well-being. Taking action is the key to making positive changes in your money mindset and ultimately achieving your financial goals. Number 4. Visualize your success. Visualizing success is a powerful tool that helps to create a positive mindset and manifest success. To create a positive money mindset, it is important to focus on abundance rather than scarcity and to think positively about money. Visualizing success helps to create a mental image of what success looks like and helps to create an action plan for achieving it. It may also help to create a positive association with money, which can further increase motivation and commitment to achieving success. By maintaining a positive money mindset and visualizing success, individuals can create the necessary foundation to achieve their financial goals and create a life of abundance. Number 5. Never stop learning. It is important to never stop learning, as there is always more to be gained, no matter the age or stage of life. Everyone has the potential to build a strong financial future, and education is the key to unlocking that potential. Learning how to take financial risks, budget, save, and invest will help you to create a secure financial future. Additionally, it is important to stay informed on the current financial landscape, as understanding economic trends and the risks associated with different investments can help you to make smart financial decisions. Taking the time to learn about money can lead to a lifetime of financial stability and success. Number 6. Action over success. Money can be both a motivator and a tool that can be used to reach your goals. It is important to realize that money can be a powerful force and should be used as a tool for action. With the right mindset, a person can use money as a way to drive themselves to succeed. It is all about taking action, instead of just focusing on success, in order to move closer to achieving goals. Taking action is the best way to ensure that you are utilizing the power of money to reach your goals. With the right money mindset and action, one can reach the success they desire. In conclusion, having a money mindset is an important part of achieving financial success. It requires a shift in thinking from material possessions to financial security and investing in yourself. With the right mindset, you can achieve your financial goals through careful planning and disciplined saving. The key is to start small and focus on building your savings over time. With perseverance and dedication, you can enjoy greater financial freedom and peace of mind. Thanks for watching the video. About the bonus we promised you if you made it this far, and if you are interested in learning more about personal finance, we encourage you to follow the link in the description of this video. It will take you to a course that will provide you with valuable information and knowledge. If you are interested in learning more about this and other financial topics, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be notified every time we upload new material. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video and let us know in the comments your opinion about the video and the tips given. We'll be reading you and we'll see you in an upcoming video.